The Electromechanical Birds, a poem by Mon Enriquez. Drones, our eyes in the sky, soaring high, their wings defy, with rotors whirring, they take flight, a marvel of technology, a brilliant sight. From photography to package delivery, drones are changing the world, bringing new agility. With sensors sharp, they map the land, inspecting bridges, power lines by hand. In search and rescue, they play a vital role, locating victims, reaching their goal, and in disaster relief, their aid is unmatched, delivering supplies, where none can be reached. Drones could revolutionize transportation, carrying people and goods, with innovation, and in the medical field, they'll play a key part, delivering supplies and healing the heart. Construction sites they'll help to transform, transporting materials, in a gentle form. Environmental monitoring, they'll aid with ease, tracking wildlife, air, and water quality at peace. Drones, we thank you for your service true, for all that you do, we are grateful to you. May your horizons continue to expand, with wise laws and policies in hand. At home, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines, October 14, 2023.